Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Namaskar everyone, I am Inertia and today our topic is inertia in daily life.
Namaskar, this is Siddhi and today we'll be presenting on inertia.
What strange game is this, mister?
You must be from the past.
Yes.
This is not a strange game, it's a game of skill called carom. Let me show you.
Why did only the bottom coin move? What about the rest of the stack? Why did it not fall?
Well, this is because of inertia, a concept you yourself discovered, Sir Isaac Newton.
I discovered it? Inertia? Can you please elaborate?
Oh sure, look at this another example. Inertia is the tendency of an object to stay in its state of motion or in rest. Over here, since only the bottom coin was in the direct contact with the striker, it moved, whereas others were not in direct contact, so they remained in their state of rest.
Wow.
Look at this. The ball over here keeps moving until unless an unbalanced external force is applied on it. This is because of inertia again. It tends to stay in its state of motion and the only unbalanced force that is applied on it is friction right now.
Oh my god, it defies gravity?
Yes.
Okay.
Now, which one do you think will be easier to move out of these two boxes?
I am Newton, obviously the smaller one.
Well, try it.
What?
Well, this is because the mass of this box was a lot lesser than the mass of this box despite being smaller. Mass is directly proportional to inertia.
Wow, I didn't know about this.
Yes.
But after all, I made this discovery. Hello, student.
Hello.
You know, I just made a discovery.
What discovery?
Inertia is going to revolutionize science. Let me tell you about it. Inertia is the tendency of objects to stay in their motion or rest. For example, when you vigorously move a tree, the leaves fall out. Do you know why?
Why?
Because the leaves are in the state of rest and we're vigorously shaking the tree, which causes indirect force on it, which makes the leaves fall out of it. So that's why the leaves fall, because they have rest motion in them.
Oh, will you explain me with some other example?
Yeah, sure. Have you ever ridden a bus?
Yes.
Yeah. So do you know when suddenly the bus stops, you suddenly fall towards the front?
Yes.
It is because of inertia as well. Because the bus and you are in state of motion, but the bus suddenly stops and you move towards the front. And the bus moves towards the back. Isn't it interesting?
Definitely is. Is there any way to measure inertia then?
Yes. Nice question. Which bottle do you think will roll further?
Well, aren't they the same?
They might be the same at first glance, but they have difference in their mass. Let's see which one rolls further. See, that one rolled further. Do you know why?
Because of inertia?
Yes, because less mass means less inertia and more mass equals to more inertia, as mass is directly proportional to inertia.
Oh, that's interesting.
Should I show you one more example?
Yes, please.
Can you lend me a coin, please?
Oh, yeah. Here.
Thank you so much. Here is a card. We're going to place it on the cup and then we're going to place this coin on the card. Now when we pull the card, what do you think will happen?
The coin will go with the card, obviously.
Okay, really? Let's see.
Why did that happen?
It is so simple because it was in the state of rest. That's why it fell into the cup, whereas the card moved outwards.
That's interesting.
Thank you. Inertia is the tendency of objects to remain in the state of motion or rest. For example, if a ball is moving, it will keep moving unless an unbalanced external force is applied onto it. Or if a ball is in rest, it will stay in rest unless an external unbalanced force is applied on it.
The inertia of an object is measured by its mass. Mass is the measure of the amount of matter in an object. When the mass is greater, the greater is the inertia. The relationship is mathematically expressed by F equals ma, where F is the unbalanced direct force, A is the resulting acceleration, and m is the mass of the object.
Thank you.